In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to invite an agent or to find an agent. To start, just go to Quigler.com. And when you get there, if you have not already signed up for a free account, sign up today. If you have signed in, then click on the Login tab. Either way, you will come to this page, which will ask you for your email and a password. If you haven't already signed up, that's how you create an account. If you have already signed up, you just use whatever email and password you originally put in. In either case, it will bring you to your transaction dashboard page. And in the upper left-hand corner, you will find Agent Search. Click on it. It's going to prompt you to either put in the agent's name on the very top line and search for that agent, or allow you to search by an area. So put in the state that you're in and the city you're looking in. And you can certainly search outside of your local area. So if you are a New Yorker and you're looking for an agent in Florida, simply put in Florida and the town in which you're looking. Up will pop the agents in that area, and you'll be able to scroll through them and start clicking on them, and when you do, up will pop their profile. And this will tell you what kind of an agent they are, whether they're a seller agent, a buyer agent, what their grade at Quigler is. It's right there next to their picture, and it will give you lots of information about them. If by chance you do not find your favorite agent here, then why not invite them? So simply go under the Submit Search tab and invite your agent to join Quigler. A box will come up that looks like this. In it, put your name and then put the agent's email. And we will email the agent and tell them that you are looking for them on Quigler. In addition, you will find other places throughout all these tutorials where you'll be able to find an agent. So just don't worry, we're going to prompt you constantly because we believe it is critically important that every buyer and seller be represented in a transaction and not try to do this alone. That's it. That's how you find or invite an agent.